Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes guys, and yes, look at that. You see the flags? Yeah, you see them color there? So yes guys, I'm gonna make some Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Coco, two good size cocoa. But guys, me couldn't find no sweet potato, but anyhow me book up them small one here and that will do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in the food processor. And this is it. This is a different one, guys. This is a Hamilton Beach one. It's a smaller cup. The other one I used was a bigger food processor. So I'm gonna peel the cocoa and the sweet potato. I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients and I'm gonna set it aside so I can have more space on my counter. All right, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to this I'm gonna add 1/3 cup cornmeal. You can put half cup if you want, but what I'm gonna do, guys, I have this coconut flour and I'm gonna add another 1/3. The next thing, I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon salt. I have 1/2 teaspoon Jamaican allspice, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon mace. All right, this are gonna flavor it up. All right, I'm making it easy and simple for you today. Just go ahead and give this a stir. You don't have to sieve it, guys, because it's not cake you're making, it's pudding. You have no reason and no need to sieve it. Okay, only way you're gonna sieve it unless your cornmeal or your flour lumpy. Add everything to the food processor, and you want the potato to be more than the cocoa. All right, guys. And guys, you want to continue to scoop it down until when you get it to how puree you want it. All right, and now I'm gonna add some coconut milk. First I'm gonna add 1/2 can so you can puree. So we add in 1/2 first. All right, so you can blend our puree smooth. Oh my gosh, it smells so good already, guys. Oh my goodness. Smells amazing. I have 1.25 cups of brown sugar. Boy, I mean, I know my brown sugar always a lump up. So, but anyhow, by the time you start mix it, it's gonna come out. Or maybe ear catch it or something, guys. Anyhow, I'm gonna put 1.25 cups of brown sugar. Scoop out everything, all the goodness. Right now, guys, you want in my kitchen. All right, guys, you know, so Jamaican people don't measure nothing, but anyhow, I'm gonna measure it for you. All right, so we're gonna put some flavor to this thing. All right, remember, see, a sweet potato pudding, you have to have flavor. All right, yeah. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon rose water, mean 1 cork full. All right, guys, yeah. If you cork too big, you put half of it. And I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon almond extract, I have my mix essence, guys. You need to try this, it's super good. All right, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. You can even do like this, guys. You know, say that I want teaspoon. Here I have some olive oil. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon. Guys, if you don't want to use olive oil, go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Because you add salt to it already, you want to try to get a butter that's unsalted. Give this a little mix, guys. Yeah, oh my goodness. I can't manage this, guys. The next thing, I have my wine. This is a red wine, all right? Speron, cream over. But if you have red label, go ahead and put 2 corkful or 2 tablespoons, or you can put a 1/4 cup. Overproof white rum, you don't want to put too much of this, so I'm gonna put like a tablespoon. Yeah, just like that. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, give this a little mix, and now I'm gonna put the rest of my coconut milk. So basically I use, oh my god, I use 1 can of coconut milk or cream. We're gonna make it easy and simple for everybody to understand this thing, all right? Everybody make it in their own way. I have some unsweetened coconut, all right, desiccated, so shredded, all right? So I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup. Measure the thing, okay, guys? I'm not gonna overdo it because that will do. Or you want to put about 3 tablespoons. Back in the country, guys, why I put this now, back in the country, when you grate the coconut and you juice it out, you left one little bit of trash. When this cook down, you're gonna bite a little piece of coconut flakes in there. All right, guys, you understand what I say? Yeah. So if you're from the country, you want to do this, but I do it now before I add the dry ingredients because I want the coconut flakes to take up some of the moisture. So when you bite pan, you know, too tough, you understand? So you want to put it in now before you add the dry ingredients to it. Okay, guys? And at this time, you can go ahead and taste it. Remember, you add cornmeal and you add flour. So when that start to rise, you're gonna make it hard. So I'm gonna add this is warm water now. I'm gonna add 125 ml or 1/2 cup. All right, you can use warm milk if you want. I'm gonna add my dry ingredients in 2 portions, and then that's it. If you like your sweet potato firm, you can just go ahead and put this in the baking pan, all right? But I want mine moist, so I'm gonna add another 1/2 cup of warm water. Okay, guys, so in total 1 cup of warm water. I'm gonna tip a little bit more wine, another 2 tablespoons. It's ready. I grease my pan and I add a little bit of grease-proof paper, and I'm gonna pour it in. And tap and shake. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake it. It's gonna bake for roughly 1.5 hours, hour and 40 minutes, 45 minutes or so. But before we reach there, I'm gonna pop it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. The custard for the top. All right, so we're gonna put 1/2 cup of this coconut milk. We're gonna pour it out in here. We're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of mixed essence and we're gonna add another 1/2 teaspoon or a teaspoon, make it be a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's it, guys. You just want to mix this out, and you're gonna set this aside for the custard. After 45 minutes, oof, we're gonna put it here, my mixture here, and put it closer, and we're gonna spoon it on top. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for another hour, and it should be good by then. Oof. All right, guys, that is done. Look at the goodness. Hour and 45 minutes, and it's good to go. Look at that, guys. We're gonna let this cool, and guys, you will know when it's completely baked when you see it's lifting or moving away from the sides a little bit. It's cool, but it's still warm. One hand on the camera and one hand here. So we're going up close and personal. So that's it, guys. That's it right there. Good Jamaican sweet potato pudding. All right, yellow belly sweet potato pudding. It lasts up to a week. You can cut off a little piece, have it for your breakfast with some Milo tea, hot chocolate. You can have it for a snack. You can give your friend peace. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. So good, guys. I add some of that coconut whipped cream, and I add some mint. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna do a taste test for you, okay, guys? Oh my goodness. Authentic Jamaican sweet potato pudding, yellow belly sweet potato pudding. Can you see that, guys? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh, heaven here. Oh my goodness. No. Look at this, guys. It's not too soft, not too hard. Oh my. Look at that, guys. Ooh. This is how you want it. And you know me love the edge. Oh. Oh my God. This is my favorite part, guys. You see that, guys?